bread and butter pickles. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are pickling cucumbers into one of my favorite flavors by making bread and butter pickles using an easy 4-step process. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Step 1. Prepare cucumbers and onions. Slice cucumbers 1/2 inch thick. Place them into a large bowl. Slice 1 onion 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick and add them to the bowl. Sprinkle vegetables with kosher salt and mix with your hands. Please take a second to like and share this video. Also, check out our collection of videos and join the GBH family by clicking subscribe followed by the notifications link. For this recipe, you need cold water. Add it to the bowl and stick in the refrigerator for 45 minutes. Even though these pickles are not getting preserved, for step 2, I still sterilize the utensils and jars. While the veggies are in the fridge, bring a large pot of water to a low boil. Add the utensils and jars. Sterilize for 1 minute. Remove from water and sit on a clean towel or paper towels. Repeat the process for the lids and screw bands. Do you prefer to make refrigerated pickles to eat immediately or preserve them to eat later? Tell us by leaving a comment below. After 45 minutes, drain cucumbers and onions. Shake to remove excess water and allow veggies to sit for 10 minutes. While the veggies rest, move to step 3, making the brine. Over medium heat, add dry spices to a pot and whisk while toasting the spices for about 1 minute. Add sugar and immediately add vinegar. Whisk to combine. Add water and combine again. Remove brine from heating element and move on to step 4, putting it all together. Fill each jar evenly with cucumbers and onions. Fill them all the way to the top and don't be afraid to pack in the cucumbers and onions. Add brine. And since we are not preserving these pickles, you can add the brine all the way to the top of the jar. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it. Also, help support our channel by clicking the subscribe button and clicking the notifications link. Seal the jars by putting on the lids, along with the screw bands. There you have it, bread and butter pickles, quick and easy to make. Just make sure to stick them into the refrigerator for a minimum of 24 hours before eating. They keep for up to 1 week. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.